Here are 5 ways you can use Copilot to help increase sales on Etsy. Tip 1. Write a high-converting product description. Open Microsoft Word. In the prompt box, type, "Write a 150-word Etsy product description for a handmade lavender soy candle." Highlight eco-friendliness, relaxation benefits, and gift appeal. Copilot will instantly create a polished, keyword-rich description you can copy directly into your Etsy listing. Tip 2. Generate SEO tags fast. With Copilot open, type, "Give me 10 SEO tags for handmade silver jewelry." You'll get a full list of keyword ideas you can copy and paste into your Etsy product tags to improve your search ranking. Be sure to check out our course at burntolearn.com, where we demonstrate how Copilot transforms your Microsoft Office tools into an unparalleled productivity suite and efficiency across all your projects. Tip 3. Create a social media post. Type this prompt. Write a 100-word Instagram caption promoting a handmade tote bag using a playful and fun tone. Copilot will write the caption, saving you time and helping you drive more traffic to your shop. Tip 4. Write a follow-up message to buyers. Type, "Write a thank you email for Etsy customers that encourages them to leave a review." Use this to follow up with customers after their order. Getting more reviews means more sales. Tip 5. Brainstorm new product ideas. Open Copilot one more time. Ask it, "Suggest 5 trending handmade product ideas for Etsy in 2025. You'll get instant ideas for your next bestseller. Copilot makes it faster, easier, and smarter to grow your Etsy business. Follow these 5 steps and watch your sales soar.